Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Deep Dive, the English podcast. I'm your host, Emma. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining us again. Today, we have a very special and very helpful episode for you. Our topic is how to start a conversation in English. Speak naturally with confidence. This episode is perfect for English beginners, A1, A2 level learners, and anyone who wants to speak English more easily, more naturally, and more with confidence in real life. So, if you want to learn simple English sentences, easy English phrases, and useful expressions for daily life, this episode is for you. And of course, I'm not alone. My co-host, Jack, is here with me. Hi, Jack.
Hi, Emma. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again. Today's topic is one of the most important skills for English learners, starting a conversation. Many students tell us things like, I want to talk, but I feel shy. I don't know how to begin. I understand English, but I cannot start speaking. If you also feel like this, don't worry. It is very normal. Starting a conversation can feel difficult, even in your own language. But today, Emma and I will help you learn many easy, natural, and real-life English sentences.
Yes, and the best part is, you can use these sentences today in real life. We will teach you how to say hello in a natural way, how to start small talk, how to ask simple questions, how to keep the conversation going, how to show interest, how to speak confidently, and how to end the conversation politely. We will also give you sample dialogues, speaking practice, and real-life examples with slow, clear English for A1, A2 learners. So get ready, get comfortable, and let's begin.
Section 1. Why starting a conversation is important. Starting a conversation is the first step to communication. If you want to make friends, practice English, or feel more comfortable speaking, you need to know how to begin. Many English learners think conversations must be perfect, but that is not true. Conversations don't need perfect grammar. Conversations need simple words, clear sentences, friendly expressions, confidence, and a smile.
Exactly. When you start a conversation, you show confidence, interest, and friendliness. And remember, your English does not have to be perfect. People understand that English is not your first language. The goal is communication, not perfection. Section 2. Simple ways to say hello naturally. Let's begin with something very simple, saying hello. Most learners already know hello or hi, but today we will show you more natural and more friendly ways to greet someone. Here are some easy greetings. 1. Hi there. 2. Hello, how are you? 3. Good morning. 4. Good afternoon. 5. Good evening. 6. Hey. Informal, friendly.
And here are some greetings you can use when meeting someone for the first time. 1. Nice to meet you. 2. It's great to meet you. 3. I've heard a lot about you. 4. Thanks for coming.
Let's practice a small greeting conversation. Mini Dialogue 1. Greeting someone. Hi there.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing great. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Simple, right? Conversations don't have to be complicated. Using easy and clear English helps you feel confident.
Section 3. Starting a conversation with confidence. Okay, now let's learn how to start a conversation. This is the part many learners find difficult. They often think, what should I say first? How do I begin talking? What if the other person doesn't understand me? But don't worry, we will show you easy, safe, and friendly ways to begin a conversation. Here are some simple conversation starters. 1. Excuse me, can I ask you something? 2. Hi, can we talk for a moment? 3. Hello, is this seat taken? 4. Hi, do you have a minute? 5. Hi, I think we haven't met before. I'm your name.
These sentences are helpful for daily life, at school, at work, in a cafe, in a class, in a meeting, anywhere. Let's try a sample conversation. Mini dialogue 2. Conversation starter.
Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it?
Do you know where the library is?
Yes, it's right down the hall on the left.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem, happy to help. See, a very simple way to start a conversation. Section 4. Starting small talk. Easy topics. Now, let's talk about small talk. Small talk means short, friendly conversations. Small talk helps you connect with people. Here are some easy small talk topics for beginners. Weather, work or school, hobbies, food, travel, family, daily routine, movies or music.
Here are some small talk questions you can use. 1. How's the weather today? 2. How was your day? 3. Are you from here? 4. What do you do? 5. What kind of music do you like? 6. Do you like movies? 7. Do you have any hobbies? 8. Have you eaten? Common in many cultures.
Let's practice small talk. Mini dialogue 3. Small talk about weather. Hi, Jack. How's the weather today?
It's really nice today. The sun is out and it feels warm.
That's great. Yesterday was so cold.
Yes, it was. I'm happy today is better.
Mini dialogue 4. Small talk about music. Hey, Emma. What kind of music do you like?
I love soft pop music. It helps me relax. What about you?
I like rock music. It gives me energy. See, very simple, very natural. You can also answer in 1 or 2 sentences if speaking feels difficult.
Section 5. Asking follow-up questions. To keep a conversation going, you need follow-up questions. These are small questions you ask after the other person answers. Here are some easy follow-up questions. 1. Really? 2. That's nice. 3. Why? 4. How often? 5. When did you start? 6. Where do you usually go? 7. Who do you go with? 8. What do you like about it?
Let's practice. Mini dialogue 5. Follow-up questions. Jack, do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I cook almost every day.
Really? That's great. What do you usually cook?
I usually cook pasta or soup. They're easy.
Nice. Why do you enjoy cooking?
Because it helps me relax after work.
See how the follow-up questions make the conversation longer and more interesting. Section 6. Showing interest in a friendly way. When you want to show interest, you can use simple expressions. Here are some. Wow, that's interesting. Really? Tell me more. That's great. That sounds fun. I understand. That's cool. I like that.
Using these expressions makes your English sound more natural and friendly. Let's practice. Mini Dialogue 6. Showing interest. Emma, I started learning guitar last month.
Wow, that's interesting. How is it going?
It's going well, but it's a little difficult.
That's cool. Keep practicing. You will get better.
Section 7. What to do when you don't understand. It's normal if you don't understand something in English. It happens to everyone, even native speakers. Here are some easy sentences you can use. 1. Sorry, can you repeat that? 2. Can you say it more slowly? 3. I don't understand. 4. Can you explain that? 5. What does that mean?
Let's try a small dialogue. Mini dialogue 7, when you don't understand. Emma, the meeting is postponed. Sorry, what does postponed mean?
It means the meeting will happen later, not today.
Oh, thank you. Now I understand.
Section 8. How to end a conversation politely.
Ending a conversation is also important. Here are some simple ways. It was nice talking to you. I have to go now. See you later. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Mini Dialogue 8. Ending a conversation.
I have to go now.
Oh, no problem. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. See you later.
See ya.
Section 9. Confidence tips. Here are some simple confidence tips for English learners. Don't worry about mistakes. Speak slowly. Use simple words. Smile. Practice every day. Listen to native speakers. Use short sentences. Don't translate too much. Be relaxed. Conversations should be fun.
Yes, and remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes. Section 10. Real-life conversation situations. In this section, we will show you how to start conversations in many different real-life situations. These dialogues are longer and help you understand how natural English speaking works. We will cover at a cafe, at work, on the bus or train, at the grocery store, at a library. Let's begin.
Situation 1. At a cafe.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's not. You can sit here.
Thanks. It's really busy today, right?
Yes, very busy. I think many people like this cafe.
True. Their coffee is great. What are you drinking?
I'm having a cappuccino. What about you?
I'm having iced coffee. It's my favorite.
Nice. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here almost every weekend. It's a nice place to relax.
I agree. I come here to read or work.
Cool. Well, enjoy your coffee.
Situation 2. At work.
Good morning. I'm new here.
Good morning. Welcome to the team.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How's your first day going?
Pretty good so far. I'm still learning everything.
Don't worry. You'll get used to it. If you need help, you can ask me anytime.
Thank you so much. That's very kind.
No problem. We're happy to have you here.
Situation 3. On the bus or train. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit.
Thank you. Do you know how long it takes to get to Central Station?
About 15 minutes.
Great. Thank you. It's my first time here.
Oh, welcome. Do you like the city so far?
Yes, I do. It's very lively.
That's true. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Situation 4. At the grocery store. Hi, do you know where the milk is?
Yes, it's in aisle 3.
Thank you. I'm new here, so I'm still learning.
No problem. If you need help finding anything else, let me know.
That's so nice of you. Thanks again.
Situation 5. At the library.
Excuse me, can you help me find the English books?
Sure, they're right over there in section B.
Thank you. I'm trying to improve my English.
That's wonderful. Reading helps a lot.
Yes, I agree.
Section 11. Step-by-step conversation practice. Let's practice starting a conversation step by step. Try to speak with us as you listen.
Step 1. Greeting. Say this with me. Hi, how are you?
Step 2. Asking a simple question. Repeat. Are you from here?
Step 3. Making small talk. Repeat. How's your day going?
Step 4. Sharing something about yourself. Repeat. I'm learning English.
Step 5. Ending politely. Repeat. It was nice talking to you.
Section 12. Conversation mistakes to avoid. Here are common mistakes English learners make. Speaking too fast. Using long, difficult sentences. Thinking too much before speaking. Being afraid of mistakes. Staying silent even when you want to talk.
Here's what you should do instead. Speak slowly and clearly. Use short, simple sentences. Relax and breathe. Smile. Use easy conversation starters. Practice every day.
Section 13. Extra phrases for confidence. Here are bonus phrases you can use anywhere. Hi, can I talk to you? Is it okay if I sit here? I'm learning English, so I may make mistakes. I hope you don't mind. That's interesting. Can you repeat that, please? Let's talk again soon.
Section 14. Long conversation example.
Here is a complete, realistic conversation combining everything we learned.
Meeting someone at a park.
Hi, is this your first time in this park?
Hi. Yes, it is. The park is beautiful.
I agree. I come here often to relax. What brings you here today?
I wanted to take a walk and get some fresh air.
That sounds nice. Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 10 minutes away. What about you?
I live close to. Maybe we've seen each other before.
Maybe. Do you come in the mornings or evenings?
Mostly evenings. I like watching the sunset.
Oh, that's nice. Do you come alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends. What about you?
I usually come alone. It helps me relax.
Same here. So, what do you do?
I'm a student. I study English.
Really? Your English is very good.
Thank you. I'm practicing a lot.
Practice makes perfect. If you ever want to practice together, let me know.
I'd like that. Thank you.
Great. Well, I have to go now. It was really nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. See you around.
Section 15. Motivation for learners. Remember, learning English is a journey. Every small conversation helps you improve.
Yes, and don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking now. Even a simple, "Hi, how are you?" is a great start.
Confidence grows with practice. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes.
Section 17. Final Review. Key Sentences. Here are your key phrases from today. Hi, how are you? Is this seat taken? Do you have a minute? How's the weather? Tell me more. Sorry, can you repeat that? It was nice talking to you.
Thank you for listening to the Deep Dive, the English podcast. We hope this episode helps you start conversations confidently.
Yes, keep practicing these sentences and soon speaking English will feel natural and easy.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow our podcast for more simple English lessons.
Have a wonderful day and speak English with confidence.
Bye.
Bye.